welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mutton liver fry. Very delicious side dish that best goes with chapatis or even with pulavs and biryani. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 onion chopped, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Saute well until the onion turns transparent. Now the onions are nicely done, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Now to this, add 1/4 kg mutton liver cut into pieces like this. Give it a gentle mix. Make sure not to break the pieces. Saute for a minute and let's then add the spices. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now the spices are nicely done. Keep the flame in low and close with the lid and let this cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The mutton liver pieces have released some water. Give it a nice mix. Now keep the flame in medium and mix well for 2 to 3 minutes until the water reduces. Now the water has nicely reduced, so in this stage add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. The water has completely reduced and the liver pieces are nicely fried, so garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. It's now ready to enjoy. Serve it nice and hot with some rotis or pulavs. This even best goes with rasam rice. Very healthy and delicious recipe, so do try this mutton liver fry recipe in your home and write back to me feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.